Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you love all things beauty and fragrance, you've come to the right channel. In this video, I would like to share an Ulta Beauty shopping fragrance haul. So when you go into the store, there's a representative there with hand sanitizer, and unlike Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret where they give you your shopping tote to go home with, they have a stack of sanitized shopping baskets, so that works. Also, I actually haven't smelled most of these because they've got all of the samples and testers and everything taped up, the lotions, the perfume, so there's no more smelling and spraying. They've even got signs that say don't touch. So I had on my mask and gloves, and just to keep myself and others safe, and I hope everyone's doing the same. So without further ado, let me show you what I got. I got Prada Candy, and look how cute the bottle. I actually got the smaller bottle size because I haven't smelled most of these, and you know, I'd like to make sure that I actually like it before I get the large bottle. So it's like a sweet floral. It is seductive, joyful carefreeness with an explosion of caramel, powdery sophistication, cocktail of musks, and the base notes are vanilla, sensuality, and benjoin. I like that one. So that's Prada Candy. Next, I got Prada Candy Gloss, and this box is pretty dented up. I actually grabbed the last one. Let's see. Oh, and I've already wiped all of this off too. That's what I do. So, oh, look how pretty. I love that pink. It's like a strawberry pink. I like that bottle a lot. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, this one's very sweet. I really like this one. Let's see. Okay. Okay, sweet cherry and tones of almond and orange blossom. So it's the cherry. I really, really like this one. So that's Prada Candy. Probably once I use that up, I'll get the larger bottle in that one. Next, I got Juicy Couture. Wee! I don't know why I say wee like that. Wee! Oh, look how cute the bottle is. It's like two-toned. Oh, it's so pretty. I like that. Okay, let's try a different section. Alright. It's sweet. It's a little different. I'm not sure what I'm smelling. Okay. Watermelon, acai tea, nature print, pear infusion. Mid notes are jasmine, absolute, wild tuberose, dewy honeysuckle, and the base notes are techno woods, amber resins, and captive musks. The watermelon makes it very bright and sweet. I like that one too. That's perfect. Fruity, happy fragrance. Next, I got Tresor, and I have smelled this one before. I love this. This one's actually a gift, so I'm not going to open this one. But, of course, I have a bottle of it already. But I love this. Look, I love the amber colored liquid in there. The packaging is so interesting for this. Okay. Sweet, fruity, exotic. Let's see. Apricot, peach, pineapple, and bergamot with mid notes of rose, heliotrope, jasmine, and orris, with base notes of musk, sandalwood, and vanilla. Yeah, I can smell the vanilla now. It gives it, it's so like fruity, but then it's got like, it's grounded by like the vanilla and the musk. And this one wears really well too. It lasts a long time too. And I get a lot of compliments whenever I wear that one. So thank you for spending the last few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I have placed an order online for Ulta Beauty, so when that gets in, I'll be sharing what I got with you there too. So as always, I pray you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.